2450 Great Oaks Drive is a stunning custom home in San Marcos, Texas. This beautiful residence sits on a spacious 1-acre lot, offering country living with modern convenience just minutes from shopping, dining, and major highways. This exceptional 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home has 2419 square feet of thoughtful design. This is a home where comfort, style, and space come together. Outdoor living is effortless here. Enjoy your morning coffee or evening gatherings on the covered patio with an outdoor fireplace. There's also plenty of room for a garden, playset, or future pool. A workshop or storage space in the backyard, ideal for hobbies, projects, or extra storage. Additional features include solar panels for energy efficiency and affordable utility bills.